In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Nitro PDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Review tab up top, and where it says Drawing, you simply want to click on this pencil icon, and then you can go ahead and start drawing, and the things you draw are going to turn into drawings just like that. So that's basically how to draw, and if you want to erase any of this, you could do that too by clicking on this drawing title here, and then selecting Pencil Eraser, and you can go, and the same way you can draw with your mouse, you can just basically kind of hover over this, and it's going to get erased whenever you release your mouse click. So that's the first thing you can do. But if you want to change the color, because default it's like this very dark blue, as you can see, you want to go to the select button or the select tab up here under review, and then you want to select it. So you have to basically kind of hover over it, and your selection tool here will change, and you want to basically click on it, and it's going to select your drawing. You can go to properties up top, and then the border color can actually be changed to whatever color you want it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.